Mindset, bringing you another powerful and positive video. In this upload, I want to share with you 4 powerful ways that you can blow up with YouTube Shorts. I've done a few things on my own, and I want to share them with you. Some of you who've been following my channel, I've been doing my YouTube Shorts. Stay with me. Watch this video all the way to the end. I've got a few bonuses that I want to share with you that you do not want to miss. So let's get right into it. Now, if you look on the screen, I put together a diagram for you. Go to your home page, you click on Customize Channel. Now, the crazy thing about this, I thought they would automatically do this. I thought they would automatically have this on your home page, but it's not automatically set up. So you've got to actually go in and do that. So this is how you do it. You go in your back office, you click on that Customize Channel, go where it says Add a Section. Right there, click Add a Section. Now you see all your choices are going to come up. Now mine is already grayed out because I've already got my playlist already set up on the page. So mine is already grayed out. What you want to be able to do, you'll be able to click that. And once you click that, you tell the computer to add that shorts videos, right? Say short videos, add that to your featured sections. And it'll show up on your homepage as a featured section. What you'll be able to do is see where it's optimized. When people hit my homepage, the first thing they'll have show up is my CD, Nobody, and then they'll have my jazz. Then they'll have what we just created. See, we just created a playlist for your shorts. The shorts will not show up there automatically. Got to go in that just like we just did and do that. So that's the first thing. Get that shorts videos to show up on your homepage as a featured section. Second thing that you can do is make sure you check your analytics. Any YouTube shorts you've got longer than 15 seconds, check your analytics. You go to your customized channel. When you get to the back, you can scroll up and down and just check different videos. Now, the interesting thing about this is analytics, there's so much more, and I'm only giving you just the tip of the iceberg of it. There's so much more, but this is just one way. Let's do this one. I've got the shorts videos right here. Click analytics, that little part right there, analytics, and it'll come up. On this one, people have been watching this one more. So that's a good sign. If you scroll down a little bit more, what you'll see is the key moments. You can see where it was a continuous segment. This one has an average view duration of 71%, which is great. Our goal is to get 50 or better, 100% if we can get it, but 50% or better on the view average duration. So check your analytics. Make sure any shorts you've got longer than 15 seconds, make sure that analytics are right. If not, you want to go and edit them. And this applies to all your videos as well. This one right here surprised me. Now I've got to give a shout out to D. Nimmin. Do y'all remember the guy, Nick Nimmin, high five fist bump, Nick Nimmin? He has a brother, D. Nimmin. I got to give him a shout out. He talked to me about this. YouTube automatically has done something in our back offices. If you click on one of your videos on that edit part, right? Scroll down, keep scrolling, keep going, right there. Look, shorts permission allows people to create shorts using parts of this video. That is automatically clicked on your channel. I did not know that. D talked to me about that. Anybody who samples something from your video, it's going to automatically reference back to you. I'm thinking that it may be a link of some kind, but even if it doesn't, that's a great opportunity to get your material in front of a new audience. So for me, I'm going to leave mine checked. That anybody that if they want to, they can come and sample my content all they want to for now until I get some more information on that. And once I get some more information on that, I'll let you know. But that's something that YouTube has already done. You have already, right now, you have given YouTube permission to take samples from your videos and make shorts out of them. So keep that in mind. I'm keeping mine checked for right now, and you might want to do the same. Keep me posted. Leave me a comment. Let me know. All right, now this one right here is what I call hashtag page sharing, okay? There's certain hashtags that I use that I connect with other pages. This one right here says Next Level Mindset. I'm using that. I've got videos and it says 14 channels. So I'm actually sharing this page with others. Now do your research. You might not want to share your page with certain other. You want it to be congruent to what you're doing. Couldn't help but do this one. Next Level Mindset is who I am. So I decided to share this page with them by using the hashtag Next Level Mindset. And as you can see, some of my videos come up and some other people's videos come up. So keep in mind the concept of hashtag page sharing. And you're going to hear a lot of things here at Next Level that you don't usually hear from a lot of people. So keep that in mind. Now here's a bonus. I got to share this with you. Now, YouTube is doing something. Check this out. Starting later this year, we'll reach out to thousands of creators every month whose shorts receive the most engagement and views and reward them for their contributions. So this is a great time to keep our eyes up for what they're doing. This is one way that they're setting it up for us to get paid. And here's the other one. All right, they said that the Shorts Fund is the first step in our journey to build a monetization model for shorts on YouTube. This is a top priority for us and will take us some time to get right. We're actively working on this and we'll take the feedback, gathered from our community to help develop a long-term program specifically designed for YouTube Shorts. So as you can see, they're doing something outstanding on top of those 4 ways that we can make our shorts blow up and our channels to succeed and grow. YouTube testing right now is in a stage where they're allowing a lot of things to go on. So I would encourage you, keep those things in mind. Now, these are just a few ways, just a few things that we can do to cause our channels to blow up. YouTube Shorts to blow your channel up. Still excited about my new CD, Can't Nobody. This is the first single, Nobody, and I'm still excited about it. The link is in the description. It's everywhere music is streamed right now. You can get it from Amazon, or you can go anywhere and get it. So thank you for that. I appreciate that. Make sure you subscribe. Great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation. If that's what you're into, subscribe, hit that bell, and be the first to get my next new video. I upload videos like this all the time, so you'll never run out of inspiration and empowerment around here. Make sure you turn on all your notifications and hit that bell, and when I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to know about it. We're building up a new single. Now, I've got a special thing I'm doing right now. My next single, you can get a copy of my next single for free just by being a part of this channel, building up our email list so you can get a copy of it. Matter of fact, let me hit you here just a little bit of it right there. God Time. Now, this song right here is going to be our next single on the upcoming album with Satisfied. You've already got Nobody. Leave it a comment, your email. We're going to build our email list. You can get a free copy of this song. Thank you so much. Thank you for taking the time. Thank you for all my subscribers, those who are coming in now, those who are just coming in. Thank you for being a part of this. It really means a lot to me. All those who are watching, who maybe not subscribed, but you're watching, I look at the data. I can see that you're enjoying it. Thank you. That means a lot to me as well. If this video brought you value, make sure you hit that like button. That sends a computer algorithm signal. Lets people know this video, it'll let them know it's worth watching. Remember, there is no God outside of it. There's only God within us. And with that, we are unstoppable. All things possible. Nothing that needs to be done in our lives. And together we cannot do. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.